wa kumakania kuona o uria mbura irathi na mbere kura guku bururi-ini kuri na icigo itiganite itari iramukire itata ria mbura makiria rugongo rwa mutito wa Aberdares kuria ni kuo kihumo kia njui iria citagirira mai macio demu-ini ya Ndaka-ini. Demu ya Ndaka-ini iria ni mwihoko munene hari kunyotora aikari a Nairobi ni makitingie kuona mai no marathi na mbere na kuhua undu uria ucungiriire ikorwo ikihingwo niguo kuona mai kana ni mekuongerereka.
As of now, whether it is raining or not raining, we must ration water in Nairobi because the demand is higher than the supply. The demand of water in Nairobi today is around 770,000 cubic meters per day. Yet the installed capacity or the maximum we can be able to treat is 600 cubic meters per day. So you can see there is a gap of over 200 cubic meters per day.
Kihumo kia mai ma demu ino kire ni mutito wa Aberdare gigikorwo gitamukirite mbura ya kuigana kumana na kiria kireciриrio ni ugaruruku wa riera. Undu uria uhutitie demu ya Ruiru, Sasumu anathika gukorwo ona cio itire na mai ma kuigana aikari a Nairobi. No arugamiria kambuni ya mai guku Nairobi ni maugite mari na matanya mweri turorete gicigo giki ni gigukorwo na mbura na kuhotithia demu ici gukorwo na mai ta hau kabere.
We also expect in April, end of April, early May, the rains will improve and we'll have adequate storage in our dams.
The flows that we are receiving, what we call the recharge, it's not adequate because at a time like this, in the season, this is what we call the long rains, we should be receiving around up to 8 to 14 meter cube per second as the recharge. But what we are receiving today is about 2.7.
O uria matuko marathi na mbere, no guo mai demu-ini ino marahua, ukiringithanio na thiku cia hau kabere kuona mai demu-ini ino makoretwo makihua na gikiro kinene.
We need enough storage so that when we have the rains, we can actually cache the flow and store it for future use. Otherwise, this is climate change and is bound to actually recur again and again unless measures are taken.
Ihinda ria riua inene riria rikoretwo guku bururi-ini ona rio ni rikuruhanitio na unyihu wa mai demu-ini ino. Ona thengia wa mbura iria irathi na mbere guthandana guku bururi-ini, undu wa kumakania ni ati demu ya Ndaka-ini iria niyo kinyuiro kia aikari a Nairobi riria rakinyaniria mai ma kuigana, undu uria ni kiriga guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjogu wa Wachira.